With the old guy.
The old guy and the wife.
Because it was some, hard thing.
Keep looking at me.
You know that Chinese guys don't have it.
Chinese ones are the most freakiest, but still. I don't want to be bothered, man. I'm trying to light up.
A nice ride home. Lighten up.
No, but I really want to see the reaction of the 7 train. You without a shirt walking in there. And then see the reaction of people's face. I would have loved. I would have loved to see that.
Aren't you glad we came with you?
This is pretty fun. I mean,
Told you.
either way, if you guys can come, I would have had my music on. But I really want to see the reaction on people's faces. Aaron walking in without a shirt.
Get on the 7 train, take off your shirt.
They're probably all people away.
Why I never seen a nigga without a shirt off? It'd be hot, man. Goddamn. You gotta express yourself, man. Let it be sweating.
Word. Niggas walking around with no shirts like
Spanish,
40 juice.
Spanish guys and the
You
Chinese
just gotta have a body for it.
I know.
You gonna walk around wearing Ross.
Yeah.
Whoa, wait a minute.
That nigga be taking off his shirt.
Viscera.
Mark Henry. Hey, that fat, get it. Visceral.
Oh, from
yeah, titties, man. Yeah, wrestling.
wrestling?
Nigga, visceral.
Viscera, man.
Big Daddy V. Fat ass. Nigga walking around no shirt.
Look at this one.
He woke up. The hell?
somewhere.
Nigga knocked up.
Those niggas is all crap, man.
Damn.
Oh, that's like New Jack City.
The Carter house.
That's the New Jack City crap, boy. Oh, shit.
The Carter house. Look at this.
New Jack City crap.
That should get you high.
The time of my life.
Oh,
Yeah, boy. I suck the boss of the guy. And now I Nigga, Patrick Swayze wanted to fuck that girl. That was great, man. Yeah, man, that movie's serious, man. I only watching now, older.
what's her name, baby?
Yeah, baby, yeah. And he was like, listen here, baby, you don't know about her. Talking about the other girl.
Well, the other girl he was fucking with, right?
Yeah, he about to smash. Nigga dead ass, he locked his key in the car. He had a lock. He want to smash that, man.
Nigga, baby.
Hey, time of my life.
You never liked it?
Everybody's like, oh, this is the best song.
Oh, it's like Jennifer Grey.
Ferris Bueller.
No, I think Patrick Swayze like Jennifer Grey. It's not like the song.
That's why I watched the movie, man.
That song's like, that's a lot.
She's probably old now.
Like 50? 50 now? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that song the niggas said?
Feel that thing now.
What's that song? Be Right Back was a rap.
No. What do you mean? Hey, I don't even know. I'm taking with or without you.
Oh, that's fucked up. They didn't speak. Fake. Oh, it took it down.
Took it now.
Yeah, it's not a pop.
Time of my life.
Now shut up, bitch!
Shut up, bitch.
Yo, what's down here? Dude, the smoke? Oh, it's up. Where the train is at. Yeah. Time of my life. And I suck it off for you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what the niggas sound like you saying.
I can sing. I don't even like the song. I'm just
That's what the niggas sound like you saying.
What?
Ooh. Quiet.
Niggas zombies, man.
Niggas sleep. You got school tomorrow? Oh, I don't, shit's over, huh?
School?
Talk about it.
I graduated 10 years ago, man.
Talk about it.
Make it seem like I'm old. 10 years ago.
10 years ago. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm alive.
Is he really gonna ask a girl? Is he really asking a number? Oh, I thought you said he was asking for somebody's number.
Oh.
So where'd he go?
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
When you let soon go? Wanna come back, suck that, what's the name?
Oh, it'll come back eventually. Right. This is what I do. I like there's nobody else around. You know, people be, when the train comes, like getting on top of each other.
Everybody sleep.
And then what people do is like, they see you standing there and they still get in front of you like, hello, do you not see me? Am I invisible or are you blind?
I forgot my face.
There's some space over there. That's stupid hot, man. I always want to go over there and see what that's about, but I'm not trying that right now.
Down there? I don't know.
Probably rats and shit.
Laura. Oops.
Laura.
Yeah. Yeah.
Laura Macareno.
Laura Macareno.
And Vicky Garcia.
Oh, isn't that?
Wow. I'm so upset I didn't bring my fan.
Do the 7 train take a long time on that?
Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Who gives a damn?
Who gives a damn?
At least you're here. I'm gonna try to, okay. I'm gonna try to spit my gun. See if I could get it all the way down there. The ledge. Alright, it was close. It was close.
I did alright.
I need more practice on. Try it again.
So we got 2 dumps.
And I can do that. Let's try to come. Please. There's something coming. I don't want to. Aaron, where are you? Yo, Denzel.
What?
The train's coming.
What is it? Good. I'm feeling the breeze. Yeah.
The train's coming.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to jump. That's it. I'm about to jump.
That's it. Yeah. I'm shot. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. There you are, nigga.
I'm shot. Get it. Like, no.
Don't miss it.
Go for it.
All right, come on.
I'm proud of it.
All right. Big ass gap. Say that
What's that? Well, nah. Oh, so sorry.
Now you want to sit next to me now? Where you going?
What you say you want me to sit next to you?
No, I'm kidding.
What'd you say?
No, I'm so used to you sitting next to me. And like, Aaron, you're not gonna sit?
I'm a young man.
Oh, we got a long run.
No, you're saying
But y'all play me. Oh, I got you.
okay.
I didn't even say no. I just said
I'm a young man. I got you. Yeah.
I see.
But then you looked at me.
no. What?
Thinking. Yeah, I know what you're doing.
I'm about to fire this train. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell you that.
You will go back. Yeah.
Come on.
patient, watch. Just be patient. Oh, I know you're gonna say that shit. I hate when niggas say that. Just be patient.
You're wrong. He didn't say that.
I was wrong. Somebody call my mama.